guys, welcome back. So in today's video I am eating spicy tomato spam ramen. So I've made this from scratch, as you will have seen before this part of the video, and it looks absolutely amazing, guys. I mean, look at that. I'm very proud of this. I think I'm the proudest. This just looks the best. I don't know why. It just looks... So one of my bestest dishes that I've ever prepared. Presentation-wise, it just looks insane. I'm just going to get into it. I have some full fat coat because I am feeling the full fat coat vibes. So let's get into the video. I have some regular spam here, sliced, and some pickles. So let's go. Smell is amazing. I'm really into full fat coat, guys. It's really bad for me. But hey. I also have some chopsticks, just in case the chopstick police comes and gets me. Sorry, I have a fork, just in case. But I'm going to try the chopsticks. So, let's get into it. Wow. Oh my god, this is amazing. Whoa. Oh my god, let's stir it a bit more. Oh my god. This is fucking good. I think the ramen just gives it such a different flavour, you know, because normally you'd use pasta, wouldn't you, with stuff like this. Wow. So let's have some. Oh, mama. Oh my god, please. This is so good. Oh my god. So I saw this recipe on... I saw it on YouTube and I saw it on a website. And I just... It's so good, guys. It's so simple to make, and it's just, you know, everyone has noodles at home, you know, ramen. And it's spicy. Very spicy. Oh my god, this is so good, guys. Help me. every last drop. Oh my god. Wow, it's so easy to eat. I'm getting better, aren't I? Chopsticks. Noodles are very filling though, guys. Very filling. The noodles have such a lovely taste, like a fattening taste. These are the Indomie goreng. I probably said it completely wrong. Noodles. Stop one bit more and then I'm done, guys. So guys, I am done. Oh my god, that was insane. Probably one of the best mukbangs I've ever had. So simple but so incredible. The ramen really gives it a kind of an oily, you know how ramen is, it's quite an oily, not oily but amazing taste, guys. You'd know if you have ramen. So thank you so much for watching my video. You're still staying safe in quarantine and doing everything you can. I know the government have now extended the lockdown for another 3 weeks initially, so we're definitely not going to escape this lightly, but we need to be strong and we need to be there for each other, and I'm always here for you guys if you ever need me. So again, I'm going to go. Thank you so much for watching my video and watching me eat. Sorry, I just had a brain block. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think of the video, and I'll see you in my next one.